My husband wrecked my car against the garage wall. And immediately I knew who I was going to call. I called Zamir. Zamir wasted no time. He emailed me back and asked me to bring the truck in. I got a great estimate and I dropped my vehicle off. 5 days later, my husband wrecked his truck. So Zamir and his team worked great. They were able to get my truck finished. I picked up my truck and we dropped off my husband's truck. So there was no downtime. We did not need any additional transportation. He got the trucks fixed. He detailed both of them at no additional charge. We got both trucks back, and so far, if my husband doesn't wreck another truck, we're doing great. I don't trust anybody. I'm not even gonna say I do. I trust no one and nothing, especially when it comes to my vehicle. And everyone knows that Nina only trusts quality people with a great reputation. And when I first met Zamir and his team, I knew that they would help us and they would make sure they worked with our unique situation, 2 cars being down. Everyone on the team kept their word. The car was ready when it was supposed to be ready. If I had questions, they did not beat around the bush. They answered all my questions, and I trust Uptown Automotive and the team.